This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Nancy Torres. Brand new gorgeous modern style home at the edge of town with a country feel on 1.8 acres. One of the highlights of the home is all the natural light from the grand windows. Open living concept floor plan with high ceiling. You will love entertaining your friends and family on the open and large outside covered patio. Please call your preferred agent for a tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Torres at 940-704-0674.